Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix when we encounter the problem no camera attached, or we can find the camera in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the privacy and security. So please go to your Windows search tab there, privacy, and then you will get under best match privacy settings. So we will be typing privacy and security. So if you can find it, then just go directly to your settings. So please go make a right click here in the Windows icon. Go click on the settings option there. And then once you do that, we will have this privacy and security at the almost bottom part in the left pane. So please make a click on that. And then scroll down a little bit. We will be looking for camera, permissions for camera. So please make a click on camera option. Please make sure that the camera access is turned on, and then the let apps access your camera option is also turned on. You can also specifically turn on the access of uh the certain apps that you want to have an access for your camera. So you can just choose which apps that can access your camera. And once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then this time, if the camera is still not fixed and still can't be found, then we will be resetting the camera app. So to do that, simply go to the camera, or just type here in the Windows search tab, type camera, and then you will get under best match this camera option. So please make a right click on that, and then go click on the app settings. And then once you do that, all you need to do is just to go to the repair or reset section. So please just wait for this to load, and then scroll down. You will get the reset option. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't get affected. So just please click on repair. After doing this repair, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we can also proceed again to this window, and then this time we will be clicking on the reset button. So this app's data will be deleted. After the reset, just make a quick restart, see if the problem is now fixed. Now once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then the next thing you need to do is to go to the device manager. So we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you need to go to this device manager option, this one. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the camera, this one, and just make a right click on that, click on scan for hardware changes, and then it will start loading. Next thing you need to do is to update the driver. So please make a right click, click on properties, and then click on OK first. So the camera driver is the one that we will update. So just make a double tap on this one, and then it will be expanded. So please make a right click on the camera driver that you have there, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers if you're connected with the internet, or if you're not, then we will proceed with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers, and let me pick. And this time all you need to do is just to select the latest driver that you have there. Once selected, please click on next, and just wait for the installing drivers to be done. Once it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then just close this window, and then click on this one. This is scan for hardware changes. Once you click on that, your camera driver will now be automatically installed. And then close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then we will go to the troubleshooting process. So here in the Windows search tab, again type troubleshoot, and click on troubleshoot settings here. So you will be brought to the settings window, and then just click on the other troubleshooters. This time we will be running the troubleshooting device, or we will be diagnosing the problem here in the camera section. So just click on this run button here, and it will start diagnosing the problem. It will detect the problem, and then it will automatically troubleshoot what the problem is, and it will automatically fix it for you. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.